it's Julia, and today I'm going to unpack this brand new Hoover H-Free 700 cordless vacuum cleaner. I'm so excited, I can't wait because it's gonna be my first cordless vacuum cleaner. I don't know what to expect. So let's get on and see what do we have in box. So first of all, we have some guarantee leaflet. We have a small instruction manual. I'm gonna try to assemble it as well, and then we have quite a lot of small tools and bits and pieces. First of all, we have this small accessory pouch, so that's for all brushes, very handy. Then we have some wall mount bits to safely and securely mount our vacuum cleaner on the wall when charging. Then we have a charger. It's quite small and quite handy. Then we of course have our hero, which actually already works. Pretty powerful one. Then let's see what else do we have here. So E, it's a tube. I guess in Halloween it can be used as a Star Wars accessory. It looks really nice, very light. So let's move on further. We have this big baby, and it is intense floor roller. So it wiggles different directions. So it's easy driving system, which allows you to maneuver, and it also unfolds for cleaning on the flat surfaces. Really cool. There are some bristles, they're moving, and that should catch up a bigger rubbish from your floor. Then we have this tube, which is a long, flexible tool with quick and secure connections. So it is flexible to reach up high somewhere, maybe to get rid of that spider. What else do we have here? We have this interesting piece of robotic skeleton, but it is actually up to top tool adapter. It is really cool. So there are a few buttons on the side which allows it to be completely flexible, and let's see later how do we benefit from it. Then we have this brush, which is a radiator tool. So it is to clean radiators. Again, quite fancy. It can be extended if you have to reach somewhere deeper into the radiator. Then we have this bendy brush, which is a deep cleaning brush. I don't know what is it for just yet. It might be somewhere to reach under your sofa or some cabinets. Then we have this brush, which is 2-in-1 large dusting and furniture brush. So it has this clip-on adapter, so it can be either flat to clean your furniture maybe, and then if you put this Bristol adapter on, then it gives a better kind of grip and a better collection of some larger rubbish on your furniture. So yeah, it clips. I need to still figure out which side does it clips and how to use it quickly. Oh, there it is. Then we do have this bit, which is 2-in-1, again, tool with quick secure connection. So this I would assume is again for some narrow spaces, so maybe behind between your fridge and a cupboard, and it has like either this flat tube type of connector, or you can pull on the one with the bristles. Last but not least, I have this one left, which is a mini turbo nozzle, again with quick and secure connection. I don't know what is it for just yet, but let's figure it out all. I'm gonna go and try to build my Hoover H-Free 700. Let's do it. Well, that was pretty quick. So this is H-Free 700 in its all glorious beauty. It was just 3 clicks, literally, the big tube attached to the main element, and then your brush. You can, however, change it to a different brushes, so let's try that. Here we go. And another one. It is a bit stiff at some point, but I guess it will take a bit of practice. In general, that's it. Okay, so let's quickly summarize. What do we get with this Hoover vacuum cleaner? So you know what to expect in terms of accessories and brushes. So we get an intense floor roller, 2-in-1 tool with quick and secure connection, 2-in-1 large dusting and furniture brush, long flexible tool, mini turbo nozzle, up to top tool adapter, radiator tool, deep cleaning brush, accessory bag.